Hello friends, welcome to Shirl's Foodies. I'm back with a new and simple recipe that is garlic bread. So first of all, here I've taken 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. These ingredients are for the first step, that is activating the yeast. First, in a big bowl we'll add in the warm milk. Then we'll add the dry yeast and sugar. Mix this well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. For the next step, we'll require 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and salt to taste. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon salt as well. And here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. If you don't have garlic powder, this step can be optional. Friends, here our yeast is active. Now we'll add in salt. Then we'll add oregano. Then we'll add garlic, crushed garlic and garlic powder. Now if you don't have garlic powder, you can add more of crushed garlic. Now we'll add in the flour. And we'll knead it well. Knead it properly and make a soft dough. If required, you can also add water while kneading. Friends, here I am done kneading the dough. Now we'll add in at least 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add olive oil or normal regular oil that you use. Now again knead it well. Now we'll stack it together and let it rest for about 2 hours. Now we'll coat some oil and then leave it for about 2 hours. For the third step, that is to make the garlic butter, we'll require 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped. First, we'll mix in garlic, then we'll add the coriander leaves and mix them well. Here our garlic butter is ready. Now we'll start preparing the garlic bread. So friends, here our dough is nicely risen. Now we'll take it off from the bowl. Now we'll sprinkle some flour on the table and then we'll knead it again. Now we'll divide these into 6 parts. And we'll fold it into small balls. Now we'll roll it out with a rolling pin. Now we're done rolling it out. Now to this we'll coat it with the garlic butter. We'll apply it evenly. Now we'll add cheese. I've used grated cheese here. If you want it to be more cheesy, you can add more cheese. It's up to you. You can add cheese according to your requirement. Now sprinkle some oregano. Little bit of chili flakes. And salt. Now we'll fold it half and press the sides gently so that they may get sealed well. Now with the help of a fork, you can just press it. It's nicely sealed now. Now we'll coat some garlic butter on top that we prepared. Coat it well and then again sprinkle some oregano. Pepper, chili flakes, and some salt. Now we'll place it on a baking tray and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here friends, our garlic bread is ready. I've taken it out of the oven and it is nice and golden brown in color. Now we'll cut it with a pizza cutter, or if you don't have a pizza cutter you can even use a knife. So friends, here you can see our garlic bread is nice and cheesy from inside. It is nice, soft and tasty. This recipe is really very awesome. Do try this recipe at home. Thank you. So friends, if you like this simple and easy recipe, make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.